Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Teller County in central Colorado, northwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Creek, or 25 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodland Park and Divide. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A strong thunderstorm will impact northeastern Teller County through 2:15 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near West Creek, or 25 miles northwest of Colorado Springs. This thunderstorm was nearly
go in the bedroom
hazard.
for KRDO's storm coverage.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trillions and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Woodland Park and Divide. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring.
Likelihood that will go. Tornado warned. Oh, geez.
Come on. Well, okay. See, there was this fella from Tennessee, Alabama.
Alright.
Jurisdictional limit.
Alright. We're good. So just in case it does go tornado warned,
A severe thunderstorm was located near West Creek.
I got coverage for it.